Hey, hey, it's Berta J. You're back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna be making vegan Parmesan cheese. Yeah, I know, you probably have never heard of that. But I thought if we mixed up some things, we might be able to use it just like we use Parmesan cheese. And so what I do is I use 1/4 cup each of nutritional yeast, 1/4 cup of almond meal, or you could use corn flour. You need that texture. And to those two things, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of Italian spices, or sometimes it's called Italian seasoning. Then you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion. To that, you'll also add 1/8 teaspoon of granulated garlic. Then 4 turns of your black pepper mill. And the last ingredient is 1/8 teaspoon of salt, which is optional. It's up to you to decide whether you want to use it or not. And what you use is a piece of wax paper so that you're able to mix it up, and then you use the wax paper as like a shovel to put it into the container that you're going to use, which is a washed out old jar. I happen to use the salsa jar because it's easy. It's a big mouth and it's easy for me to get into. And you're going to put all of that in there, and then you're going to use it just like you would use Parmesan cheese. Now, okay, so when you've made it, what you can do is you can put it on a bowl of pasta. This happens to be brown rice pasta spirals. They're very, very delicious. I can't really tell the difference. And what you do is you just take your Parmesan cheese and you just sift it over the top. That's probably a lot, but that's what you do. That's all you do. And there's your dish right there. So let me know what you think. You try this recipe. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And then also check the bell so that every time, the notification bell, so that every time a new video is uploaded from Berta J, you will know about it and you'll be able to come and watch it. Okay, so until next time, bye for now.